Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to block websites from accessing your camera on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security section, click on Site Settings. Scroll down to Permissions section. Click on Camera. Toggle the button to turn it off. That's it. Websites no longer be able to access your camera on Google Chrome. This is how you can block websites from accessing your camera on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.